guys. So I just realized that since I moved into our new studio, I've not shown my YouTube family. I've not shown you guys what our studio looks like. And we've been here for months. And this is because I've not been able to create any form of content. I'm so sorry about that. So in today's video, I'm just going to be giving you a tour and telling you guys how much I'm grateful you guys have been with me since when we started the semi, and I'm just so grateful for where we are now and where we're going. I'm grateful for where we've come from. I'm so grateful to God for my not so little brand. Yeah, so welcome. This is a tour. So first, I'm going to start with this mirror. This is a 6 foot mirror, and if you're coming in through this door. Now it's dark. It's actually late in the night, and I'm still at the studio. I was doing some work before I got the inspiration to do this particular video. So this is the mirror for our DB queens. Yeah. So it's a very pretty 6 feet long mirror. The next is the reception area. It has our brand name, the Semi. Then this is the reception desk. Yeah. So once you come in, this is the waiting area. We have a very comfortable couch here. Please, that's my charger and my phone. Then we have this beautiful cupboard where we sample our ready to wear press on nails. We have really beautiful designs here. Then we have jewelries. We have a lot of jewelries. We have rings and we have glasses. Beautiful items are here. Then we're going to move to the nail area. So when you come to do your nails, this is where you're going to be sitting, and this is where the nail technician sits. So yeah, this is the nail area. Everything nails happen here. Then that's the pedicure section. This is the pedicure section. And then this is the lash and the brow bar. Yeah, so this is it. We added this curtain to give you some sort of privacy. So this is the lash and the brow area for lashes and brows. So yeah, it's a pretty beautiful and cute space. To book an appointment with us, kindly send a DM to our Instagram page, thesemi_brand, or send us a WhatsApp message at 09067066 732. I can't wait to have you.